yesterday I came home to this package. I really like them. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to another weekly vlog. So I just came from the gym, y'all. I did legs today, like glutes. When I tell you I done killed my glutes, like they were I thought they were gonna fall off. I literally thought they were going to fall off, but I'm going hard because summer is less than 3 months away, ladies and gentlemen. So we're back on our P's and Q's. So that's what I did. And then today kind of have like a busy day. I'm also gonna do like a TikTok day in my life. Kind of have a busy day, so I'm gonna get ready, go to work, and then during my lunch break I want to go to Tjmaxx just to see like what kind of jewelry they have, because they have like really cute jewelry and they're actually like good quality. So I want to go just check it out, see what they got. And then my mom also sent me like they have like a $10 coupon, so I'll probably use that. I need to stop probably by Lawless or the 99-cent store because I need paper towels. I need to wash my hair tonight because I want to do the Garnier video. I'm gonna do my hair and twist it tonight. And then tomorrow, oh, and I want to do laundry while I'm like washing my hair. And then tomorrow I want to wash my dog's stuff, and then I gotta like do my last minute packing. I'm already packed. I'm going to see my family this weekend for Easter weekend, so me and my mom are leaving on Thursday. So I'm kind of like packed. My dog stuff is already packed. So yeah, y'all, let me show you the PR I got yesterday. So I got this this sample perfume thing for the sample fragrance set from Replica from Mason Margiela, and it's funny. Let me show you guys. Let me prop y'all up. But I never showed actually I don't even think I showed my TikTok, but they sent me they sent me this a couple weeks ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago. They sent me this. Well, it's like I guess a mini. It's not a full size, but it's still like a decent size of this from the garden. I think it had just came out. And it has very like, it literally smells like outdoorsy, like gardening fresh. And then yesterday I came home to this package, and basically it's like little like travel size one for all of them. And I've never tried it. This is the first one that I've tried. I've never tried their fragrances before. So I'm like, oh my god. So thank you to Replica, Mason Margiela. Thank you. And I guess L'Oreal is in like the same like warehouse or factory, because the box set from L'Oreal. So I thought it was something from them, but it was actually from Replica. So I can't wait to try these out. I'm gonna do a TikTok video. I have so many like brand videos I have to film this week. I have like 3. So, but you know, we in our content girly era, like I said in my last vlog. So yeah, I want to try these out. I'm gonna do it in a video. And yeah, but thank you to them. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my life together. Yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm back home way later in the day. I'm exhausted. Like I was sleepy all day. Like I don't even know how I functioned. Like I don't know why today I was just so tired, but like I went to bed at a reasonable time. Got up early, went to the gym. Like I don't know. But anyway, I went to Tjmaxx. I did get some stuff that I wasn't even planning on getting, but I ended up getting some stuff. And I got this cute necklace. It's verse 1124 mark 1124, and it's whatever you pray for, believe that it'll be received, and you know, like it'll happen. So yeah, I got that. And then I got some clothes. Only like this 2-piece set, these like denim joggers and these sandals. I'm about to try them on to see if they fit. And more PR, guys. I got this CeraVe, which I knew it was coming because I had like signed up for it like weeks ago. So like for a sample, so I know it was coming from CeraVe. They included their moisturizing cream, which I see everybody like talk about. I've never tried it, and like their SPF, but like I've seen like a lot of good reviews on it, so I'll probably try it out. But yeah, thank you to CeraVe. So yeah, let me show you guys stuff. So these are the joggers, and they like go up to the ankle, and you could like, it has a string so you can like tighten it. I actually really like them. I do. I got them in a size 8, and they were $25. I really like them, so me keeping them. So I also got this 2-piece set, but honestly, like, I don't know, I'm not really like feeling it. And then I also got these sandals. They're really cute, so got those. But honestly, like, that's it for today. It was a quick short vlog day because just went to work, the gym. I'm exhausted. I really wanted to do laundry today, but all the machines are taken. So now I'm gonna have to try for tomorrow because the basement closes at like 9. So like, I mean, you could get in, but it's like through the outside, and who's doing all that with laundry? No. Goku, look at the baby. With the baby. You okay? But yeah, y'all, that's it for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So it's way late. Did I vlog this morning? I don't know if I vlogged today. I don't think I did. But it's way later in the day. I'm doing laundry right now. Thank God nobody was doing laundry. So I'm doing laundry right now. My hair in a little puff right now. Right now I'm about to start packing. Well, I'm like fake packed. Like my travel size stuff is already packed. I have some clothes packed. My dog stuff is already packed. My vanity is a mess right now. But I have my stuff in this weekender bag I got from Amazon. Y'all, this is like amazing. It's linked to my Amazon storefront. Love it. But I was just gonna take this, but I'm going for 4 days, and it's already kind of full, and I'm still missing stuff. And you can put shoes under here too. But I think I'm gonna take my travel size luggage. I'm gonna take this one because it's just me and my mom. So, and my dog. So we're driving. So we got the extra room, you know? So I'm not even gonna try to like squeeze everything. Nah. I'm gonna just use that, and then I'll probably use my weekender bag too. Grandma, you know, whatever. But that's what I'm gonna do now. Cause I'm gonna do this and doing laundry, and then that's it for today, honestly. Ma'am, you lost something in there? How cute! I love this jumpsuit. I freaking love it from Target. So cute. I wish the weather was warmer this weekend, but we gonna have to work with it. I'm gonna also pack these jeans. I freaking love them. Like, so I'm gonna pack these. And then I got lots of my laundry that I'm gonna take. So yeah. Cool. Hi, Blue. Why you up there? Hey, y'all. So I really haven't came on here to like verbally update you guys. But we made it to my family's house. We've been here for a couple hours. Came, said our hellos, whatever. A lot of them went to work. So it's just me and my mom and my aunt and the doggies. I took a little nap and then I woke up because I really wanted to finish this Garnier video. I just posted it on my TikTok and Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me, make sure to check it out. Yeah, I'm starving. You all the gut cleansing pills, TMI, but they've been working. They've been working because since I've been here, I went to the bathroom 3 times. TMI, but it's working so far. And it's only basically like day 1. So basically you take them at night for the first 4 days. You take 1 with 8 ounces of water, and then the rest of the days you do 2. So I'm still doing 1 a night. So let's see, my stomach better be on flat in 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm starving right now. I want to film another video for Mason Margiela, but I'll probably do it today or maybe tomorrow. But I'm starving. I'm about to go like eat some fruits. I think they're like taking a nap. I'm hungry. So yeah, just to update you guys, it was pouring this morning, like pouring really bad. But we made it safe and sound, thank God. We got here quick. We got here in like less than 3 hours, or like 3 hours, because my mom, we left at like 3 in the morning. So I've been up since 2. And I'm like, damn, I feel like I did so much today. And it's only like 12 something. Or maybe like 1 o'clock right now. It's because my ass been up since 2 in the morning. But yeah, I don't really know what we're doing today. Probably just staying in and chilling because it's raining all day. Yeah, I did my lashes. So yeah, I just came on to update you guys. So I'll probably catch you guys, I don't know, whenever we do something interesting. Good? Good girl. Hey, what blue? My cousin made me breakfast. I love Tjmaxx jewelry. So cute. Look how cute. Only like $20. So cute. I want to try out this CoverGirl foundation. I'm gonna get a medium tan. I'm also gonna try out this yummy gloss and see what it's about. Look at Blue. Look at Coquito over here. Coquito. I haven't been updating you guys, but yesterday, what did we do yesterday? Oh, we went to Tjmaxx, Torgy. Then we went to get some acai bowls. And then my cousin and I went to this place called Afrique. It's like a Caribbean restaurant. The music was good. The food was really good. We got like appetizers. Right now, I just finished getting ready. We might get like seafood boils, and we'll see where the day takes us. It's finally like the sun is out. It's been raining for like the past 2 days. But yeah, that's a little update. You know, it's been a lot of like family time, so I haven't been recording too much. Just wanted to come and update you guys. What are you doing? We're gonna go. I forgot what it's called. It's good? Yeah, it's really good. And when we went, they had just opened, so the owner was like there walking around and shit, so he gave us like free shots. It was really nice. Where we at right now?
We're at I forgot the name.
What is it? Twins Pizza? Pizza Jam. Getting pizza.